It's as simple as this. All you need to do is type in some simple text over here, download this to your PC over here, and then upload it to this website over here, and then you can go and claim your $25 over here. And you can actually go and do this worldwide, as these websites are accepted in every single country in the world, so there's no excuse for this not to work for you. But just to be transparent and clear about something, it's not just a matter of typing in a word and getting paid. There's two simple steps in between that we need to go and complete first before we can go and get paid to type online. But this video will give you a very simple tutorial on how you can set this up and make some money online. Hi there fellow entrepreneurs, my name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset. On this channel I'm uploading daily free courses and videos on how you can make money online, how I make money online, and how you can get exclusive insight into that so you can get some results online. You'll see over here I'm uploading free courses and free trainings every single day. So if you want to get a free course, free giveaways, free courses, free money giveaways as well, definitely go down below and subscribe to the channel with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value pack video just like this one. If you want to learn more about what I do full-time off of YouTube, it's a concept called drop servicing, where I sell rare high income skills as the man in the middle without actually doing those services and work myself, but I keep about 80% to about 300% markup for outsourcing these services. And all I'm doing is I'm relaxing as the man in the middle and making money online. On this page over here, I have a 26-minute free training on my 6-figure drop servicing expert bootcamp and course. Just to be transparent, that actual bootcamp is a paid program, but I do have a 26-minute free training on that to give you free value and explain what drop servicing is, how you can get started, and results of my stores from this bootcamp. So if you guys want to have a look at this free training or get this free training, head over to the first link in the description and you will see me on this page over here. But without further ado, let's get straight into the first steps. The first step is we need to visit this website over here. Now make sure to keep watching, I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. And this website is honestly a hidden gem that I recently found online. And what you can go and do is you can actually go and create done for you free intros and outros by just literally adding in your own text and typing in your own words. So over here you can see is like a Fortnite intro that you can go and edit. Here's another ZOD free like 3D wavy intro, a more personal outro with the recents and the randoms. You can see that's for YouTube. Another tutorial intro over here. You can click on more creations over here and you can view tons of done for you intros and outros where you can just go and edit the text. It's simple. You literally go and click on it. I'm going to show you how to go and do that now and show you how to get paid for that, and you just type and change the text yourself. Now you don't need a camera, you don't need to speak into a microphone or anything like that. You don't need to create your own YouTube channel. We're not going to be creating any social media accounts. You don't even need any social media following at all. In fact, you don't need any accounts on any social media platform at all. All you need to do is come over to this website called panzoid.com, click on creations, and you can honestly choose any one of these. It doesn't really matter. But let's, for the purpose and the example of this video, we can go and choose this anime looking intro over here. So all we'll do is we click on our creation or our option over here, and you can see tons of done for you alternatives as well, which is really nice for future use if you want to use this strategy again to make money from it again. All you need to do is click on the login button over here, click on create a new account. You need to enter your email address, your username, your display name, and your password. It's completely free to sign up on this website. Once that's done, you can go back over here and you can click on open in Clipmaker. Over here, you just want to choose your templates. Over here, you can see is my done for you anime video template in this 3D editor. And take a look at this. I can click over here onto this cube looking icon over here. I can click on text over here and we can go and change this to, for example, anime channel. For example, we can click on enter. As you can see, it's quite a good looking intro that has pretty much been made for you. You don't need any fancy paid editing software such as Adobe Pro or Sony Vegas or iMovie. This is a completely free tool that those same tools can make, except now this free tool is doing that for us without any charge at all. So all you're going to do is once this is done, you can also change your images if you like to. You can see over here, you can change your own transitions. Instead of making it, for example, like a fish eye, you can change it to something like a wavy effect or a shutter effect. Completely customize the transitions between each slide, but most of the times the ones that you import are pretty much the best and done for you ones that you should just use. Over here you can change your videos, you can change your colors, You can change your music as well. And over here, when you're done, you can download and render this video. So once you're done with your video, change your text. For example, to this anime intro over here, you can click on start video render, click on allow over here, and it's going to save this video to your PC. And once that's downloaded to your PC, you're going to come over to this website over here called quickengigs.com. Now, as you can see, quickengigs.com looks a lot like Fiverr.com, which is a freelance services marketplace where you can hire experts and freelancers to perform different skills or services for you at a cost. So for example, you can hire digital marketers, video and animation experts, graphic and design experts, programming and tech experts at a cost of anywhere between $5 and $50. So over here, if I come over to video and animation and I come over to intros and outros, over here you can see people charging $30, $9, $29, $5, $40 for creating these basic and very simple video intro and outro videos. But a lot of these people take a lot of time out of their day to make these videos with Adobe Pro and Sony Vegas, where they don't know these tools such as Panzoid.com exists. And they can pretty much literally import these down for your intros in literally 2 to 3 minutes of work and save a ton of time. All you want to do is you want to click on the register button over here. You're going to type in your username, your email, your user type. You're going to select seller, your password, your phone number, and then your company name over here. You can just use your personal name or your Facebook name or whatever it is if you don't have a company name, or you can just connect up with any of these social media accounts over here. Once you're signed in, you're going to log in with your account. You're going to come up to the top right over here, hover over your username, click on jobs, and click on post new over here. And from here, it's very simple. You're going to put your gig title, your gig price, your category, your description, and then your tags. So all you need to do is to enter this. You can also come over to the video and animation intros and outro section on Fiverr.com and just use one of the top gigs over here, such as this one over here. And you can go, for example, copy this title. You can use this as your own, place the title over here, your price, you can for example go $15 or $25. Your category will be video and animation, your subcategory will be intros and outros. For your description, you can go get influence from these gigs over here. You can literally copy this if you'd like, right click copy. You can go and paste this over here, and any tags you can go, for example, intro and outro, and then you want to click on buyer information over here, enter your instructions, say it takes about a day or two to deliver the service. It will be sent to Dropbox or via Google Drive. Max days to deliver, you can select 2 days. Your location, you can just type in your country. For the media, all you can go and do is use screenshot of intros and outros from this website Panzoid.com, such as these anime outros, and just use them as a thumbnail for your post on this page over here by uploading your pictures. Once it's done, you can post your gig. And why we posting on Quicken Gigs is because it's not as saturated at all compared to something like Fiverr. Quicken Gigs, you'll most likely rank at the top. For example, if I actually go and show you the video and animation intro and outro section, you can see right now there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 gigs posted on here right now. So it's going to be very easy to rank, to get to the top, and when this website grows over time, you're still going to be at the top, getting all the business and all the sales. But as a bonus, what I go and suggest is you can go and use a tool such as Kartra.com to design very businessy and company professional looking landing pages, such as this one over here. You can see you can offer video editing services, intro and outro services. You can actually go and import done for you campaigns and pages from the Kartra tool onto your landing page over here, and you can go and run, for example, Google Ads. Now, I actually have a winning Google Ads and drop servicing combo that I've personally used to generate over $228,000 on my top drop servicing store in 2020. If you actually want to see results on that store, I show that in that video, which is the first link in the description, and you will see I actually include my winning drop servicing Google Ads formula, and I actually build my winning Google Ads live for you in my 6-figure drop servicing bootcamp. So definitely, if you want to go and see and learn more about that, go down below to the first link in the description, and you can scale something such as video editing services to 6 figures beyond per year, just like I did in my winning service that I teach in my drop servicing bootcamp that I used as my example. You'll see over here, if you scroll further down the page, there's actually an entire section that shows you each and every module in the curriculum of this course. Everything is completely transparent. I show everything that's in the course. I show results from my stores. I explain an entire free training on how you can actually do drop servicing before you even purchase the course. So it's all here for free. I'm not selling some ridiculous $2,000 course. Everything is transparent upfront. Exactly what's in the course, exactly who I am, and exactly what results my stores got from this course. So like I said, if you want to get a free 25-minute training on that, go down below to the first link in the description and I'll see you there.